Hi, it's Charles wishing you a happy Thanksgiving. As we come close to the end of 2021, I just want to show you what we've accomplished so far with our product. So, yeah, see, the stonework at this portion has been done mid of this year, and if we watch how the Gola has been installed a few, I think 2 months ago, and it's beautifully done. The floors has been done the early part of the year. With your support, we are kicking, we are doing a good job. So this is one of the major doors to the farm court. So we take a walk. Yes, all these stones have been rigged. It's been done this year. Thank you so much for what you've done for me, my colleagues, our students, and all the communities we serve in rural Africa. Thank you. Bye-bye.